Alright, real quick guys, before this video starts, Jacey has no idea I'm uploading this video. So if we could give it a thumbs up and share it, leave a comment. Let us know if you want to see more videos like this of me just nuking him for doing a bad job on something he's not even supposed to be doing. So he has no idea I recorded this video or made it or it's even going up. So let us know what you think about it. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Well, JMT subscribers, what do we have to talk about today? I think we're all firing the CEO of JMT. I think it's what's going to happen. Anyone needs a job of CEO, Japanese made truck importer, it's available. We won't see. You are fired. I am firing the owner of the company of JMT Ohio Sales. Done. I sure am glad we've made it through 5.5 minutes of this 11.5 minute long video and I still haven't seen the JMT intro. Let's get into it.
Hey, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining the channel today. This is the S210 engine replacement. Michael and I pulled the engine, tore it down. I'm sure a few days ago you saw the footage of us doing that.
Hello, I'm Michael. The Michael he's referring to right there at that part. This is the video he's talking about if you didn't see it. You can find a link down in the description for it.
Well, I got the engine in. It arrived the day that I was out picking up that U62 and dropping off the new truck. It came saran wrapped.
He had to tell you it came saran wrapped because you didn't see it.
And when I got back the very next day, I threw everything back on the engine and stabbed a transmission onto it. And I didn't even think about recording anything.
I have one more question. What are you looking at, Jacey? What is this? What are you looking at to the right? Why aren't you looking at the camera? Oh, I bet you're looking at the screen. You're recording yourself with the front camera, I bet. Why?
Sorry. It'd have been pretty cool watching everything go back together, but my apologies, my bad. Camera guy's probably going to fire me over that. We'll see.
We won't see. You are fired. I am firing the owner of the company of JMT Ohio Sales. Done. Gone. Gonzo, guy. Gonzo.
But I'll switch you around here. Nice full rebuilt engine, nice and shiny. All that shiny black down there, that's the block and the head.
That he didn't show you getting put in. Nice shiny black that you didn't get to see put in.
Fully remanned. As we can see, we've got the crank pulley on down there. It's bolted on. I've got a few things minor to do. Some clamp laters, and I got to put some ice cube juice back in her. And then put oil in it. Transmission oil. Put the breather box back on it, sitting there. It goes in this here general direction. I've pretty much got everything plugged in, all the wiring harnesses plugged in.
Too bad you guys didn't get to see him plug any of that in. So if you need to know how or where it goes, you don't know.
Everything is hooked back up. I've got to mount this back, a couple of bolts there. But for the most part, I'm getting really, really close to being able to fire this thing up.
He's really close to firing it up, and you guys missed the whole process of getting it put in. Didn't see any of it.
And on this side, I've got to do, that's the AC bracket. So it's going to go right here. But you can see how nice and shiny this thing is. Throw the alternator back on it. Put some belts on it. And, we're going to be, this thing's going to be running in here in, I don't know, a couple of hours. Maybe not even that. So, yeah, we're all bolted up. I put that new clutch in there, and I don't know how I did it, but I lined the clutch up perfect and stabbed that transmission the first time. Normally, we don't have anything to put into the...
Spit it out. Spit it out, guy. Not giving the viewers what they want. Spit it out. Come on. Missed a video. Let's get to it. What are you trying to say here?
Output shaft hole to line up the clutch with the flywheel. So you just do it by eye. Sometimes it takes a couple of times of moving that clutch around, getting it perfect. But I did it the first time. Guess we're getting good.
You know what you're not getting good at? Showing the subscribers videos of what you're doing. That's what you're not getting good at. I sure am glad we've made it through 5.5 minutes of this 11.5 minute long video, and I still haven't seen the JMT intro.
So yeah, just here's some parts that he took off. Fan, I got new belts here from him. We'll throw the stuff on, and yeah, we're going to be in business. I can't remember if there's anything else on this side other than those clamps. Everything's wired up, plugged in, ready to rock and roll. It needs engine oil added to it. It's going to use a conventional 10W30. This being a fresh engine, I might just throw some synthetic in there, some like good man-made dinosaur juice. And because we don't have to worry about any seals leaking, everything's fresh and new. I think some synthetic would be all right in this for sure. But yeah, everything's set up, ready to rock and roll. That's the old water pump. This water pump was still good, so I'm going to see if he wants it. If not, I don't know. I might keep it around. I probably will keep it around in case someone needs one, or I'll have another one come in, hook them up on a good deal on the water pump, and go from there. Yeah. These are the little red plugs. Sure, these plugged all the holes for the intake and the little ports where the sensors would go and stuff. So that's all good. Yeah, throw the drive shaft center, button up a couple things up top, and in business. Get this thing out of here. I'm getting the Bravo in. As soon as this thing gets out, I'm getting that Bravo in.
He's gonna bring the Bravo in. You guys probably won't get no videos of it. Actually, you probably will, because I'll be there this time. I'll get it done for you guys. I'll do it.
I'm gonna start pulling the engine today. I'll have that engine out, and 2 or 3 hours of pulling it in here.
Okay, well, I don't know that I can get you a video of him pulling it, because he said he's pulling it the same day he made this video, and I haven't heard anything about an engine pull video, so you might be out of that one. Like, that would be a surprise.
Then this weekend we have a brand new Daihatsu that we're going to pull in here, and it's got a gremlin somewhere in the wiring.
The gremlin to this channel is you, guy. Not making videos for these subscribers. You are the new truck.
I haven't really put my finger on. I have a good idea of what the problem is.
I have a good idea of what the problem is too, guy.
It's been a ton of searching, a ton of research, and it has been quite a process to figure out. I put my scan tool on it, which I have a scan tool for these trucks. If anyone has a newer truck, throwing codes, 99s and up, if it has OBD2, I can plug into it, scan it, and see what codes it's throwing. I can also test various different, I guess, functions of the truck, from testing the, get my mind clicking here. I don't know why. I've been up all night, so.
Yeah. We could tell, because you didn't make a video. Oh, actually, this was a different day, so I don't know what your excuse was for not making that video. We're not going to watch the whole video, go through the whole video. It's kind of long. If you guys do want to see the whole video, though, there will be a link down in the description for that video also. I just had to give Jacey a little bit of a hard time making a video and him including me in it.